Hey guys, it's Ari over at Pro Planet People, and I'm showing you the early spring garden and what we planted in it. And so I planned the garden by thinking about like companion plants and what plants like work good together. So I'll show you some like winter cold things that kind of work good together. So you got beets, you got kale, and you got collard greens. So those are good together. Here we got some mustard, and I put this tomato. So here's some mustard. And this is matcha. It's some like ground cover veggie thing. I just didn't really know where to put it, but I put it nearby where my little sitting thing is gonna be, so that I can hang out and pick them from the ground. So what else we got? Oh, another one. We got these raspberries. So these raspberries are also good with peas. So, and borage or borage, this is a flower that's good with it too. And then peas, where the peas at? So there's the peas and more borage or borage. I don't know how to say it. So here is that whole group, and then we put some peas with borage. Look, chickens. What up? And then over here I'm gonna put taller stuff, and that's kind of it. We got some Swiss chard. Oh yeah. And on the corner here, just some random stuff. Swiss chard and tomatoes. Swiss chard and tomatoes are companion. But that tomato might die, but that's whatever. I just put things in. I try to have fun, right? So, again, it's Harry over at Pro Planet People. I wanted to show you what was happening as the next step of the garden. And hit me up if you have any questions. Peace.